Today I show you how to add the Google search bar to your Android phone, even if the launcher, even if the home screen of your Android phone doesn't support the Google search bar. The Google search bar is a really quick way to access Google, to make Google searches, use Google Lens and use voice commands. Some people don't want to have it, and I understand that, but if you want to have it, if you want to enable the Google search in your home screen on your Android phone, I will show you the easiest way, the easiest option. Maybe your phone already supports this. On the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V and other Sony Xperia phones, the home screen, the home area, this whole screen here, it's an application. It supports the Google search function. To add it on the bottom here by long pressing in an empty area on the home screen, go to Home Settings, and here you will show the quick search box. Once you do that, the quick search box will show right there. This is the Google search, and you have the Google. This opens the Google app with the news feed. From here you open the Google app and you can do a Google search and even watch the news feed. These articles might be a bit so-so, not so great to read, I believe. From the Google search bar you can do a voice command. You can easily say some voice command or something, let the Google Assistant do some search for you, or make even search for a song. You can use this to search for songs. This is pretty interesting. I like this animation there, but okay, let's not let it finish with that. I don't want to start playing some songs now. And also the most important feature, other than just typing there, you might be interested in, or you can start typing. And the most important feature, I believe, for the Google search bar, the search box on Android phones, is the Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you have the option to translate text live as you see it. Google do a search. Even there is an option for homework, so I don't know how that works. If I wanted to search for this, I could search for that picture, and I just really tap here. It will show the keyboard. So I took a picture of my keyboard here, and I can search for keyboards, basically dirty keyboards, old keyboards here. But it can be very powerful. You can use this to search for example, you can use this to search for a remote control like this one. You can use Google Lens for that. So I will make it something like that. And you already see that it found, someone sells it on eBay, the exact same remote control. They even did some writings on them, like I was doing. It's really the same remote control, and I could find this with Google Lens very quickly. And what happens if the launcher on your phone, the home screen on your phone, doesn't support this feature? By the way, this is how to turn it off. You go to the Home Settings and then show quick search box, and it's gone. So if you want to add it and your phone doesn't support this option, you can still add it. First, you make sure you have installed the Google app, this app. You search for the Google app and install it from Google LLC. Once you do that, make sure you have space, like one row of icons, one row of app icons. Here I moved some icons around. Usually it's nice to have it on the bottom of the screen like this. So I could add the bar here, and from here this you can do on any phone. Any Android phone will have this option for widgets. So long press on the home screen, you will see widgets, the button somewhere below here or above there or somewhere on the side. What you're looking for is the button called widgets. And once you open the widgets, you can see what widgets each app can do. So you can have widgets from Chrome. You can have the search option from Chrome. And you once you're in the widget screen, you search for Google, for the Google app, and now you will see the apps, the widgets. These are small applets, small apps that will run on the home screen. Don't put too many of these because they might drain your battery if they're updating something constantly, like a update of the stocks. For example, you can have stocks, and if it will update every few minutes maybe, or even real time, and then it's going to drain the battery. You're looking for this one, which is the Google bar, and long press on it, and it will go here. And from here, actually, I can resize it. So now I have the Google search, but I didn't enable it from the home screen, from this setting. So it's not that one. I can enable both of them now. It's the same Google search bar, as you see. It's the same option. So I'll disable this one, and this is the option from the widgets, from the Google app. Everything the same. And you can tap on this Google, open the Google screen, tap on the microphone, get voice commands from here, or even search for a song, just the same way as the other one. And you can use Google Lens. You can use Google Lens to search for an image. These are a few ways to add the Google search bar to your Android phone, even if your phone doesn't support having that. This is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. And the Sony, they have this, it's a nice option to show the Google search here, and it's easy to remove. But if you don't have this option, you can easily add the Google search as a widget. And to remove it, you can, or even move it around, you can move it like this. It can be moved all the way to the top if you want to. I mean, that's always an option. You can have it on top there. But you can also move it back to where it was here. They arrange pretty well. It's easy to arrange it, and it's also easy to remove it. You can remove any widget by dragging to the remove section, and now the screen is cleared. Here I might try to move a few icons back to where they were, in the place they were, and I will add the bar to the Xperia because it's using the screen better. It's just using a little bit of space on the bottom there. And that's it. This is how you add the Google search bar to your Android phone. This is Android 14 Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Thanks for watching. This will work on Xiaomi phones with the widget. You can really do this with any Android phone, as far as I know. Thanks for watching.